Industry on Parade visits the eastern shore of Maryland to learn a little about how the delicious crab reaches our tables. Crabs are caught in baited traps called pots. They crawl into the pots to eat the fish and don't get out again until the pot is opened aboard the boat of the man who set it out. Crabs are only one of a great variety of seafood that flourish in the waters of Chesapeake Bay. But most of the boats pulling into Crestview have nothing but crabs or oysters aboard, for crabs and oysters are the commercial catches in this particular locale. In the next town, it might be clams or some kind of ground fish, but here it's crabs and oysters. The boatmen are mostly in business on their own, and each afternoon sell their day's catch to one or another of the packing houses operating in Crestview. This was a very good day's catch. At the packing plant, the crabs are dumped onto a conveyor belt for the ride inside. Now, late in the day is the busiest time of all here at the plants, for now all the boats are in and the crabs must be processed without delay. Some crabs are packed down in ice and shipped out live, but most, like these, go first to the cooker. Since only about 1/10 of the crab's weight can be eaten, shipping the live crab is at least 10 times as expensive as shipping just the edible portions. The women who do the separating or picking wield their special knives with the speed and accuracy of surgeons. She picks out the meat very deftly, in a fraction of the time it would take you or me, and before you know it, the cans are packed in ice and on their way. And that's how crab meat, once a delicacy enjoyed only along the coasts, has moved into interior sections, like the interior section of this young gourmet.